going on, my fellow TubeUs? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your C5 Corvette door panel. This is the same for 97 to 2004, so it'll be exactly the same. I have a 97 here. Also in my other videos I'll be showing you how to remove your mirror and how to remove your door handle. I haven't seen too many people removing the door handle or showing tutorials on how to do that, so I'll definitely show you that. As you can see, I am wrapping the car, so I want this off and I want the mirror off. It's a simple process. Stay tuned and I will show you guys how to remove this door panel. You can either start with either or, the switch or the actual plastic bezel over your door handle. We'll start with the switch first. My switch is actually broken. I have a new one on the way. So if it looks funny to you taking it off, that's because it's broken. But anyways, you want to take a flathead screwdriver and insert the screwdriver on the bottom end of the switch. So you're going to stick it in, down, and there's a little clip at the bottom that allows the switch to pop right up, just like that. And then you have a connector here at the back. You just want to pull that connector off. It's sad that this switch is broken. I mean, previous owner, I guess he tried to go in here. I don't know. But anyways, I have a replacement coming on the way. Super simple. You can see that metal clip that I was talking about. You're going to insert your flathead screwdriver to pinch it, just like that, and then you're going to pull this end up. So that's simple. Now there's two ways to do this. You can get a plastic tool like this to stick it in there and work its way out, or there are two notches at the bottom and the top where you can use a flathead screwdriver and you'd be pulling it towards you. So you would stick it in there and pull it towards you, just like that, and then it will pop right out. Just be very careful, these clips are old and it could break. So perfect, that came out clean. You can see where all the clips are. One here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 clips. Right, that was easy to get off. We'll put that aside. Next thing we got to do is take off this plastic piece here. They're very known to break. They're so brittle. I would use either one of these plastic tools, or if you could use like your fingernail. I have this glued because mine broke a while ago, so I glued it. So I just pull it down. Very easy to remove, very easy to break. And inside, 2 T25 screws that we need to remove. And if you guys don't have any Torx bits or anything like that, I will have it in the link below. I'm gonna remove these two, and don't be scared if it does fall inside the panel. You can retrieve it afterwards. Not a big deal. Got my magnet. And I'll pull it right out, just like that. Got my magnet, and that's it. Next, we're gonna remove the panel. That's all you need to do, those 3 things. Just the switch, the plastic bezel, and this little clip here with the 2 T25 Torx screws. So now we're going to remove the panel. What you want to do is get one of your plastic remover tools here. If you don't have, I will have them linked in the description. They're super cheap, but really good to have. What you want to do is stick it on the very side of the panel. Just get it in there, wedge it in there. Okay, and you want to pull the panel towards you. All right, it will make a lot of popping sounds. I'm sure you won't break anything. Just go nice and easy. So we're gonna start from the bottom. We'll see if we can grab it. It's a bit of a pain. There you go. That's one clip that released. And it snapped back in. Let's get this. We'll get our hands in there. Take your time doing this, guys. There we go. Now that's all released. Make sure all the clips are loose. And then we're gonna lift the panel upwards, just like that. And the door panel is off. And none of the clips are broken, which is great. And that's it, everyone. Super easy how to remove the door panel. And now we have access to removing the door handle and removing that mirror. I'll show you guys in my next video on how to do that. Guys, if you like the content, please subscribe, leave a like on the video. Hope to see you guys on the next one.